I'm Robin Walsh. I am a puppet designer and puppet artist. And this right here is Auggie, or Augustynolophus. And he is the California state dinosaur as of 2017. He is a new puppet we have that is coming to the museum to roam around and play with a bunch of people. One thing that I really like about making puppets for the Natural History Museum is that puppetry is like a really great backdoor to the psyche for kids and adults. And so when you have like this puppet that's full of character and can really come to life, it'll supersede any predisposition somebody may have to believe in dinosaurs or not, or believe in science or not, and just open up wonder. And so it's a really great way to bring them into science and get them enamored of it and excited about it. And hopefully that will happen lots and lots. One of the things I put a lot of effort into, so I'm making him look really, really nice. But the other thing is, because he's real and alive and he's doing one-on-one interaction, is he's touchable. And so I made sure that wherever you touch him would feel like an animal would feel. His neck is like a neck, and his hands are soft, so if you high five, they'll just give into the high five. There's a little bit of padding everywhere, so when you feel it, it's not hard. Even on his face, there's a little bit of give and softness. We specifically like put padding where padding would go, like the breastbone's here, so it's hard. And then here it goes to soft, and then here's a little fat waddle. And I love this scale. So it's a little bit bigger than a small kid, but kind of right on, or a little shorter than like a teenager. Will hopefully bring this like one-on-one kind of relationship where it's something they can relate to on different levels. One, it's a dinosaur, and what kid doesn't like dinosaurs? Two, it's almost like animals that they've seen, but not quite. A lot of kids look at him and say, oh, it's a kangaroo. Partly because of his color, but what I love is it's because they're both facultative bipeds. Bipeds that can go on 4 feet as well. And they immediately recognize it. And the first kid to see Auggie at Dino Fest was this little girl in a little tutu, and she followed him around for like 5 to 10 minutes, just going, he's moving, the dinosaur is moving. And having these guys walking around there is really great. Kind of brings them to life, hopefully for the rest of their lives. Okay. And then,